I've been really doing quite a few unboxings on this channel recently, haven't I? Well, anyway, today is the turn of a Samsung Galaxy Bud Lives. They just came through the mail, and they'll be my debut into the world of wireless earbuds. So let's open these guys up, shall we? So probably the first thing that needs addressing is exactly why I bought these. Well, firstly, of course, the main reason is that I bought them so I can make videos for this very channel, like the one you're watching right now. Secondly, I am planning on upgrading to a Note 20 Ultra very soon. So these will, pair nicely to those. And why can't I open this? Give me a second, I need my Swiss Army knife. What was the thing? Ah yes, so yeah, I'm getting a Note 20 Ultra very soon, hopefully. So this will pair nicely to those. To make content for the channel, and also now that I'm on the move a bit more, and I want something nice to, be able to listen to music on the go. And as a very socially awkward person, one thing I've always hated is having to, spend minutes untangling my earphones in like a public place, instead of, actually using them. So here we go. And clearly we have a bit to go through here. Okay, what is this? This, I think, is just instructions and manuals and stuff like that. Am I correct? I'm kind of going through everything apart from the actual earbuds here first. What on earth is this? I'm assuming this is like a charger or something. And something fell out already. What is this? I think it's like a replacement. What is this? I think there's like a replacement earpiece or something. I don't know. And we have ourselves a nice little Type-C. Yep, a nice little Type-C to Type A cable. And finally, here we have it. Where can you see it from? There we go. Here it is. It looks, look at these bad boys over here. The case itself looks absolutely blinging. It looks so cool. I kind of don't even want to like tap it almost, just because I'm kind of scared of scratching it. And oh boy, there they are. I'm kind of scared to even take them out. Ooh, they look so good. I can definitely see what people meant now. They do look like beans, but they look like the beans for the 1%, if that makes sense. Alternatively, it looks like the world's like a hearing aid for the world's like richest people. Doesn't it? Doesn't it kind of look like either a bean or a hearing aid? I mean, apart from the fact that they're just kind of like blinging, they are kind of obnoxious. And the reason I've actually chosen the bronze color is because I'm also going for the bronze Note 20 Ultra, so I kind of wanted them to match. And also there's like a nice magnet to them. Just look at that, I can just like, and they go straight in. That is actually pretty cool. So you charge them through here. Yeah, you charge them from here via the Type-C at the back. Like I said, I never used like wires earbuds before, so this is all kind of really new to me. And there's two lights, one at the front, which is kind of, well, it was yellow a second ago. Oh, there you go. When I close it, it's yellow. And then there's a light here that is red, but was green originally. So I have no idea what it means. I'm guessing red is that charging, and then green adds fully charged. I don't know. Let's actually try them out, however. Is this the left ear? Yeah, it's the left ear. The fit is kind of weird already. Like I feel like I'm generally like putting in like a hearing aid or something. I don't know. I never put in a hearing aid. How are these supposed to go? I'm actually confused. I can't figure out how these go. And that's already a point against it. I mean, I thought these things are supposed to be like, ooh, I think I have it in. Okay, that's how it is supposed to go. They are very they're going very weirdly. How much do they actually stand out? I mean, they don't stand out too much, because like one thing I'm kind of worried about is they do generally kind of look kind of silly, like a bean or a very fancy hearing aid. And no offense to people with hearing aids, but it's just like, it's definitely not kind of, but I just feel like even people with hearing aids, it's not like something that you want to kind of like show off and make it all blinging. But I guess for me, the benefit is that I have very long hair. I usually don't have my hair tied back like this. I kind of just did it for the purpose of this video, so you can actually see these guys in action. They're very weird to put in. They're very obnoxious to put in, but I think I'll get used to it. Oh, I think it's in because it beeped. Cool. How dumb do I look? I don't know. Where's my phone? I'm going to try to sync these up. Now, I don't know how good they are for like all that active noise cancelling everything, but I do already kind of hear that, that kind of weird thing to your voice you hear when you usually have like like headphones on. And this is interesting. Look at this. I just on my phone and it automatically picked up that, hey, Galaxy Buds Live are nearby. I didn't even tell it, hey, look out for Galaxy Buds or anything. That is actually really cool. And yeah, so right now, if you're wondering, I'm using a Galaxy A70, but I am going to get a, hopefully it's going to come in the next few days, a Note 20 Ultra, which is going to be so cool. Okay, and there's quite a few interesting things here already. It tells you how much charge I have. They're going on 51%. Also, excuse me, my phone is in Polish, so I'll try to, oh my words, all these notifications. I don't care. I don't care about any of this. So here you can turn on the active noise cancelling, which is kind of weird. I kind of imagined that you'd want it on all the time, but whatever. Also, we've already gotten down a single percentage, even though I've just turned these on. We have like what I believe is like EQ here, so you can like pump up the bass, make it lighter, dynamic, clear, whatever. So I'm going to do it on normal for now. Now for the real test is how they sound, and it sounds pretty crisp, pretty nice. Let me actually go from let's go to like something like dynamic, see if that makes any difference on the EQ settings. Okay, so I've listened to it a bit more. It is definitely amazing for wireless earbuds. It's definitely amazing. Now, of course, it doesn't sound as good as say my GSP 600s over there, but it's still pretty convincing and pretty much more than I can ask for just on-the-go listening, which is pretty cool. And there are a few more things about them that are pretty cool. Firstly, each one has 3 microphones to kind of help with the active noise cancelling. Additionally, they also detect apparently like movement of your jaw, so that they can like stop what they're doing or whatever, and like or allow you to take calls. I'm gonna have to probably experiment with that a bit more. They are really comfortable. They're kind of like open in a sense, not really like really closed and going like, you know, fully into your ear like most other earbuds. They are a bit of a different design. They are really tacky, especially with this color, but at least for me, because my long hair, shouldn't be too much of a problem, so I probably shouldn't be drawing too much attention to myself with them. So far I've been really loving them. I mean, the whole thing just kind of feels, you know, really prestige. Like, it's definitely supposed to be a accessory, a really high-end accessory, and it's truly supposed to be like the flagship kind of Samsung accessory to go along with your other like flagship stuff like a Note 20 Ultra. So yeah, I'm really loving these, and also stuff like the Type-C charging. Everything about it just scream quality, and apart from maybe the obnoxious look, they're pretty cool so far. I'm going to do some more experimenting with them, but so far these things have been pretty cool. I've been listening to a bit to different songs with them, try to get the rhythm of it, but I'm going to save all of that for the review, which should hopefully be in the next few weeks. I really want to take my time with these, but yeah, that's it for this unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Live. Really cool so far, and hey, if you want to buy some yourself, I'm going to have the Amazon link to these down in the video description below, and if you use Amazon links, then you don't pay anything extra, we get some money. It's a win-win. Down there you also find a link to my Patreon if you want to support the channel monetarily that way. Even $1 goes a long way, and also for my patrons Gavin Birds and Eric B for supporting this channel. Thank you so much. Also down there's a link to my Discord if you want to talk to me about these little guys or whatever else. And I guess it's. I hope you enjoyed this little video. It kind of almost looks like a box like an engagement ring. I just realized. Anyway, that's really it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever. And I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.